Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change brightness of our screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. To change our screen's brightness, we have to go to settings, of course. Then we are looking for display menu. And here we have our brightness slider. But to change this brightness, we need to turn off adaptive brightness. Also, we have extra option here, extra brightness, but we can leave it here. And to change brightness, we can now freely use our slider however we want, and now our screen won't change it by itself. If we turn on adaptive brightness, as you can see, it will automatically react to our source of light. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.